Gloria.
Hi.
I'm 7.
I'm 5.
Welcome to the Mini Homeschoolers. Now, our first question is,
What do homeschoolers do?
well, Gloria,
Yeah?
well,
They do math a lot.
yes, and homeschoolers
So do 2nd grade.
they go through 2nd grade.
7th grade.
We read, and I think that homeschooling,
We do writing.
and homeschooling is where, well, homeschoolers
Do lots of things fun.
homeschoolers stay home and play, and
They do lots of fun stuff.
homeschoolers can stay together a lot more, and so I think that most homeschoolers have, I don't know, maybe just a better relationship with each other.
Like this.
That's all for today.
Bye.
Goodbye.